Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty, and for today's video we're going to do a 5-minute makeup challenge. That means I have to do my full face in 5 minutes. This sounds so hard, but I'm going to try and do a natural look just so there isn't a lot of steps, no lashes or crazy colors to work out. So yeah, you know the drill. Let's get right into it. Phone here with a 5-minute timer, and once I press start, the chaos will begin. So on 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5 minutes. Gotta go first in with foundation. A little squirt here, a little squirt here. Oh my god, that was so much. Okay, blend it out. Distribute. Okay, blend. 5 minutes is not a long time, especially for makeup. Like, usually I can do my makeup for forever. Like, 2 hours is nothing when doing my makeup. So 5 minutes is like 1 eyelash for me. I don't know. I also feel a little bit anxious about this because I have to like talk through the whole thing because I want to upload the full 5 minutes. So yeah, you're just gonna hear a lot of rambling. I probably won't make sense, but hopefully this is good content for you.
Okay, this is taking forever to blend. Why did it end so much?
Usually I fast forward through this whole thing so you guys never see it, but now you're seeing this, I guess, how I blend my foundation. Okay. I think we're done. We're gonna have to be done. Okay. Concealer. Tarte Shape Tape, always. Day one. Okay, a little bit under the eyes, tip of the nose, and a little bit between the eyebrows. Okay. Packing brush. Just pack that in. This is actually kind of stressful. Just kidding, because like it really doesn't matter how it turns out, but still. Like, I want to do good, you know? Like, we can't just
fail in our first challenge of this channel.
Okay, I'm just gonna blend the rest out with a foundation brush. Oh, sorry if you heard that. Okay. Blend. Watch this turn out like amazing. Just kidding, it won't, but imagine it did. Imagine like I get done and I have like a full 4 minutes left. Okay, concealer, done. Moving on to eyebrows. This is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I'm gonna take this little tiny brush. You guys have never seen me do my eyebrows before. This is the first. They're not gonna turn out good for a first. This is
Rushed.
I usually spend so much time on my eyebrows. Okay, we're gonna outline them. I should have checked how much time I had left before I did this. Honestly, as long as your eyebrows look good, the rest of your makeup really turns out pretty okay. So we're just gonna take our time with our eyebrows. Not too much time because we only have 5 minutes. How much time do we have?
We have 1 minute and 49 seconds. Oh my god.
Okay. We have so many more steps to do, and we are running really low on time. How did I take almost like 4 whole minutes to do my foundation? What the heck? Okay, that's just gonna have to do. That looks really bad. That's okay. Everything's okay. Fill this in. Okay. This looks decent. Not really, but it works. It looks pretty good for doing it in 5 minutes. Or under 5 minutes, I guess I should say. We need to blend that. What is that? No. Okay. Use our concealer brush. Oh my god, that made it so much worse. We need to go in with Q-tip. Okay, these are just gonna have to work. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use bronzer so it's a more natural look. Okay. Go in with a fluffy blending brush. I don't know why I'm explaining because I don't have time to explain. Okay. Just get a little pop of color in the inner corners of my eye. No, outer corners of my eye. See, I can't even speak. I'm like rushing so fast. How much time do we have?
15 seconds.
Oh gosh. Okay. Eyeshadow done. Bronzer. Gotta get that bronzer on. Oh my god, that was so much. Okay, I guess we're just gonna be very... Oh no! Well, I guess that was the 5 minutes. Okay, well, I guess this is it. We have both of our eyebrows, we have both of our eyeshadow, we have our full face of foundation and concealer, but we have half of our face with bronzer, half of our face without bronzer. I was gonna do mascara and a lip gloss and then a few spritz of setting spray, but we didn't get to that. So I guess that's okay, but I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's gonna be really short, but I still hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. This was a lot harder than I thought it would be. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below any other videos you'd like to see from me or what you thought of the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!